In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a DocuSign template. Sharing a template is the easiest way to let teammates send the exact same document with consistent fields, routing, and settings, no rebuilding required. I'll guide you through the DocuSign web app and point out the key screens so you feel confident the first time you do it. First, sign in to your DocuSign account and head to the Home dashboard. From there, open the Templates tab in the top navigation. This page lists your personal templates and any that have already been shared with you. If you have a lot, use the search bar or filters to narrow things down by name, owner, or date. Next, locate the template you want to share and select it so it's clearly highlighted. You can click the template row or its checkbox. With the template selected, open the Actions menu, the three-dot icon to the right of the name, and choose Share with Users. That opens the sharing panel where you'll decide who can access this template. In the dialog, you can type to find specific coworkers or pick entire groups if your account uses groups. If you want to make the template available to everyone on the account, choose the Select All option. If you only want a few people, add them individually. As you choose recipients, look for the counter that updates to show how many you've selected. For example, selected 2. That live count is a quick way to confirm you've got the right audience before proceeding. Pause for a moment to review your selections and verify you're sharing the correct template, especially if you manage multiple versions with similar names. Clear, descriptive template titles and descriptions help avoid mix-ups. When everything looks right, click Share to apply the changes. The users you selected will immediately gain access and will find the template in their Templates area, typically under a shared view. From there, they can send envelopes using this template based on the permissions set by your account. In many organizations, shared users can send but not edit. Your admin defines those roles. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. You'll need to be the template owner or have the proper permission to share. If someone doesn't appear in the search, they may need to be added to your DocuSign account first or placed in the correct group. Also, sharing simply grants access. It doesn't send an email to recipients by default, so consider notifying your team separately if needed. And that's all it takes to share a DocuSign template. Thanks for watching, and happy sending!